how to recover missing Snapchat memories. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji icon available in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings. Then once you're inside the settings of Snapchat, then scroll down and find the memories section. Check the settings related to saving and syncing memories. Make sure everything is turned on correctly. Check that the snap you click is saved in your camera roll and all. After you do all this, simply go back to the settings again and scroll down till you find the option I need help and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to Snapchat's birth. From there, look for the memories option or simply tap on the search address bar and search for the recovering memories option. Once you search for it, you'll find it and tap on it. Now here you will get to see all the instructions to recover your missing Snapchat memories. Now follow these instructions and recover your missing memories by these troubleshooting steps. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.